Hi, it's Katie here. I just wanted to show you what is currently my favourite beaded box. So come with me, let's get over to the beading table and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so have a look at these. Now, it's certainly too early to get my Christmas tree out and decorated, but it's never too early to start making Christmas decorations. So let me turn these around. Actually, to be honest, you could use these for birthday presents. I mean, they're basically just little parcels, and I've had so much fun making different designs for all of these. Then, hang on, let's get back to the beginning again. I've even come up with little labels. So you can make beaded labels, or, let's bring it round, just plain old paper labels. And since this one has got my name on it, I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's inside this now. If I just pull on this side of the ribbon, I can slide everything off. So my little ribbon goes to one side, and it's not just a present, it's actually a little gift box. So let's open it up and ooh, yum, chocolate Father Christmases. Now it's not Christmas yet, so I will save these till later. But hopefully that gives you a great idea as to why this is currently my favourite beaded box. So if you liked that just as much as I did, have a little look down below. I've got links to the course that I'm using to teach that. You get video tutorials, you get a PDF download, and tons of extras like advice on different colouring, graph paper so you can create your own designs, alphabets so you can make your own little beaded labels, really basically tons of stuff. So hopefully you'll find these as fun as I did, and I just wish you happy beading.